Hey YouTube, welcome back. Today we have this problem. It's called removing stars from string. It says that you're giving a string s which contains stars. In an operation, you can choose a star in s. That is a string. Remove the closest non-star character to its left, as well as remove the star itself. Okay. Return the string after all stars has been removed. So if we have this one, we go to store the L and E and T. We have the star, so we remove the star with the T. We have another star, so we remove the star with the E, because we're starting with the left, and we add C and O and D, and we remove the star with the D. We remove this part and we remove this part. So we come with Lee COE. This is what we come up with. So, how can we solve this problem? So let's just okay. Let's just look at this one. How we can solve it. First, we can just iterate and search, like create an empty string, like let's say called answer, and this answer will be empty string. And we say that if L equals to L has a star, L equals to star, or the next one is a star. If it's not, I will continue to loop. And this solution is quite straightforward, and I guess we will do this solution next video. I hope that if I had time, actually, basically. And there's other way that we could create a stack, but there is one of the ways that I guess is quite important, interesting, is to find a two-pointer solution, which will be like that. So we could like create an array, okay, and inside and loop through the string, and we could create, for example, like g in the a variable that and I will say why we'll have g, and g will equal 0, and we start with the L. If L we find it, we add L. If L doesn't equal stars, E doesn't equal stars, we add E. E doesn't equal stars, we add E. And for each adding, we increment j. So right now j will equals 3, because for each one we increment it. We have t, I added, and here it's 0, 0, and here I 1, 2, and it's all 1 here, and 1, 2, 2 here, and 3, and it will be 4 right now. So when we increment j by 1, it will be 4, and we'll continue add. When we find the star, we will decrement one. We will decrement 1 from j. So j right now will equals 1 equals 3, and another 1. We have another star, so j will equals 2. Okay, and what I'm going to do is that I only edit the index of j. So I have c, j doesn't equal c doesn't equal star, so I will add to the array index of j. So index of 2 is this one will be c right now, this one will be c, not e. I'll continue and I'll increment this one, so that j will equal 3, and I'll have to o j here, the t will equals 2o, and I'll increment this by 1, so j will equals 4. Let me just, okay, and I have d, so I add d, because it's index of 4, it's d, so I add d directly, and j will equals 5. and I have the star, so I take 1, so minus 1 it will equals 4, and I'll add index of 4, uh, index of 4 equal index of 4, this is index of 4, it will be E. So the array, array right now is like L E C O E, and I could just put the array in the answer, and that's it. So let's try to code this one. So first of all, we create an array, let r equals new array is dot length, because it will not be bigger than that, I guess. Let j, as I said, equals 0, and I will say for let I equals 0, I less than else dot length, and I plus plus, and I'm saying let character will equals s dot character 8, not char 8, char 8 I, and I will say, as I'm saying, if char equals the store, okay, I take 1 from j minus minus, else I will say r of j will equals the char and g plus plus, okay. And after doing that, right now we know we removed all the stores, and also we removed all the characters, and we have we are now have the array that has no stores and no characters are located left to the store. So I say let answer, let result equals empty string, and I will say for let I equals 0, I less than j, of course, because I don't want to loop through the full array, and I plus plus, and I will say answer plus equals it to the array of I, and we return result. And I guess that's it. Terminate called after throwing an innocent what? What did I do wrong? Runtime error? Why runtime error? What's going on? Lit I plus plus. Oh, of course, I plus plus. Okay. And you look, this is quite weird. This is a solution. Right now I'm beating only 38. The same solution was beating 88. It's really weird the way that Leetcode just calculating the results. So that's it for today's video, today's problem. Hope that my solution was quite good, and see you in future problems.